When we look at the financial legends of our time, names like Warren Buffett come to mind. But the Oracle of Omaha didn't just stumble upon his billions. He meticulously applied specific principles to grow and multiply his wealth. And the great thing is that the path he treaded and the rules he followed are available to everyone. In this video, we're diving deep into 9 of these very rules. These are the principles that, if applied diligently, can transform ordinary earners into financial mavens. Each one holds a unique key, and by the end, you'll have a master key set to unlocking your own financial potential. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Spend less than you earn. One of the most fundamental rules of financial wisdom is to spend less than you earn. It sounds simple enough, but many people aren't able to follow this golden rule. Think of your finances as a bucket, and your income as water pouring in. If you make holes in the bucket, which is spending, that are bigger than the amount of water coming in, you'll quickly run out, leaving you empty. On the other hand, if you ensure that you're pouring in more water than you're letting out, your bucket will always be filled and can even overflow. This rule is essential because consistently spending more than you earn can lead to accumulating debt, which becomes a burden over time. By keeping your spending in check and living within or below your means, you set the foundation for accumulating wealth, giving you not only financial security, but also the freedom to pursue your dreams without monetary constraints. Number 2. Save first, spend later. The mindset of emphasizing savings can dramatically change the trajectory of your financial future. Instead of waiting to see what's left after all your expenses, you should prioritize saving a portion of your income the moment it comes in. Imagine going to a buffet. If you fill your plate with desserts and appetizers first, there might not be space for the main course. But if you start with the essentials and then pick your treats, you ensure you get a balanced meal. Similarly, by saving first, you're ensuring the essential financial goals, like building an emergency fund or investing for retirement, are met. Over time, this disciplined approach means you're continuously building a financial cushion, reducing the stress of unexpected expenses, and setting yourself up for a comfortable future. Number 3. Avoid bad debt. Debt in itself isn't inherently evil. In fact, there are instances where taking on debt can be beneficial, like getting a mortgage for a house or some financing for a potentially profitable business venture. However, there's a dark side to debt which we call bad debt. This usually comes in the form of high-interest liabilities, like those pesky credit card balances. Why is this type of debt bad? Imagine borrowing $10 and having to pay back $20. That's money that could have been used to invest, save, or enjoy life's pleasures. Over time, bad debt eats away at your finances like termites, silently eroding your wealth foundation. By avoiding or swiftly addressing bad debt, you free up resources to grow your money, ensuring that your hard-earned cash works for you and not against you. Number 4. Invest early and often. Starting your investment journey as early as possible can be likened to planting a tree. The sooner you plant that seed, the more time it has to grow and flourish. Similarly, when you invest early, you give your money more time to compound and grow. Compound interest, sometimes referred to as the 8th wonder of the world, is where you earn interest on both the money you've put in and the interest you've already earned. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and getting larger with every roll. By investing regularly and consistently, not just once, you amplify this effect. Regular contributions mean more snow for that snowball, driving exponential growth. Over time, this consistent and early investment can lead to a sizable nest egg, making dreams like early retirement not just a fantasy, but an achievable reality. Number 5. Educate yourself. Navigating the world of finance without some foundational knowledge is like trying to assemble IKEA furniture without the instructions. It's more than just challenging. It's a recipe for frustration and some downright iffy furniture. That's why educating yourself is pivotal. But don't fret. This doesn't mean you need a finance degree or hours poring over complex textbooks. With the internet at our fingertips, knowledge is more accessible than ever. By dedicating a little time to understanding basic financial principles, you equip yourself with tools to make informed decisions. Knowledge can help you differentiate between a good investment and a bad one, understand market trends, or even just converse confidently with financial advisors. In essence, by empowering yourself with education, you're laying a robust foundation for financial success, ensuring you're not just drifting along, but making strategic moves towards your wealth goals. Number 6. Stay calm. The financial markets can be much like the weather, sometimes sunny, sometimes stormy, and sometimes seemingly both at the same time. The key to navigating these fluctuations is to remain calm. Reacting impulsively to short-term financial news or market downturns can lead to decisions you might later regret. It's akin to being in a boat on a choppy sea. If you panic and bail at the first sign of trouble, you could drown. But if you stay calm, observe, and perhaps ride out the storm, you'll likely find smoother waters ahead. By maintaining a composed mindset, you're better positioned to make rational, well-thought-out decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. Remember that emotions are the enemy of wealth generation. Over time, the calm and steady approach tends to yield better results, helping you to grow your wealth and calmly traverse any financial hurdles that come your way. Number 7. Have a safety net. There's a good reason trapeze artists use tightropes. Without a safety net beneath them, every step would feel perilous, and a fall could be disastrous. Now consider your financial journey as that tightrope walk. Having a safety net, in the form of savings or an emergency fund, provides the peace of mind and confidence to stride forward. Life is filled with unexpected events, medical emergencies, job losses, or sudden repairs. Without a safety net, these events can throw your financial plans into chaos, forcing you to borrow or dip into long-term investments. However, with a robust safety net, you can tackle these challenges head-on, ensuring they are just temporary hiccups and not derailments. By prioritizing the creation of this financial cushion, you safeguard your current and future wealth, ensuring continuity in your journey towards financial independence. Number 8. Review regularly. Setting financial goals and strategies is vital, but think of them as planting a garden. Once you've sown the seeds, you can't just walk away and expect them to thrive. You need to tend to them, water them, and occasionally prune and adjust. Similarly, regular reviews of your financial strategies and portfolios are crucial. Financial landscapes, personal goals, or even life circumstances can change. By periodically assessing where you stand, you can make necessary adjustments, ensuring that your financial plans remain on track. These regular check-ins help identify what's working, what's not, and areas of opportunity you might have missed. In essence, by reviewing your financial status regularly, you're nurturing your wealth, giving it the best chance to grow, flourish, and serve you in achieving all your financial aspirations. Number 9. Diversify your money. You've probably heard of the common saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." It's an age-old wisdom that aptly applies to the world of finance. Diversifying your money means spreading your investments across various types of assets, be it stocks, bonds, real estate, or even different sectors and industries. Think of it like betting on a horse at the Grand National. If you were to stake everything on just one horse and it didn't win, you'd lose everything you wagered. However, by placing bets on various contenders, you enhance your chances of securing a win. Similarly, by diversifying your investments, you reduce the risk of a major setback if any single asset underperforms. Not only does this provide a safety net, but it also opens doors to multiple growth opportunities, ensuring your money has multiple avenues to work and multiply. Check out these videos next on other ways the psychology of money can affect you.